Welcome, the film is a REALME 8 and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, so make sure you go for the actual standalone. So right over here. If you go through the dialer to contacts, this won't work. So let's open up contacts. We don't need to sign in, and from here you want to tap on the three bars in the top left corner and go to the settings. Scroll down and you should see import option. Once you tap on it, it will pop up this window asking you where you want to import from. So let's select SIM card, OK, and you should see all your contacts that are on your SIM card displayed right here. All of them will be selected by default, assuming they are not already on the device. If they are already on the device, it will be deselected and grayed out, so you cannot select it. Now from here you can deselect contacts that you don't want by simply tapping on it, and from there, once you're satisfied with everything that you have selected, tap on import and this will move all the selected contacts to your device, which you can see right here. And that is how you import contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.